In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your lists into neat, easy-to-read columns in Microsoft Word. Whether you're managing a bullet or numbered list, arranging your items into columns can help enhance readability and make your document look more professional. We'll begin by opening your document in Microsoft Word. Start off by typing out your list just as you typically would. You can use either a bullet format or a numbered format, depending on what suits your needs best. Once you have your list typed out, it's time to select all the items you want to organize into columns. Using your mouse, click and drag to highlight the entire list. This step is crucial, as having all the desired text selected ensures that your column adjustment affects the whole list uniformly. Now that you have your list selected, navigate to the Layout tab located on the ribbon at the top of your screen. Depending on the version of Word you're using, this might also be labeled as Page Layout. This feature allows you to control how your content is displayed on the page, making it an essential tool for formatting documents efficiently. Once you're on the Layout tab, direct your attention to the Page Setup group. Within this section, you'll find various options to refine your document layout. Click on the Columns button to reveal a drop-down menu designed for adjusting the number of columns in your document. This menu offers a simple yet powerful way to format your list into multiple columns. From this list of options, choose either 2 or 3, depending on how many columns you'd like your list to occupy. If you select 2, your list will be split into 2 columns, which is ideal for shorter lists or when space isn't a concern. On the other hand, selecting 3 will divide your list into 3 columns, providing a more compact format that works well for longer lists or when you need to maximize the use of space on the page. Once you've made your selection, the magic happens. The list you've chosen will transform from a single vertical list into a side-by-side column arrangement. This new layout can augment the visual appeal of your document and take up less vertical space, making it particularly useful when you're working with limited page space or combining the list with other types of content. Now you have a beautifully organized list presented in columns, making it visually appealing and easier to digest for your readers. This simple formatting trick can make a big difference in the presentation of your documents. Feel free to experiment with different column layouts to see what works best for your specific documents. By mastering this Word feature, you'll be well on your way to creating clear, structured, and professional-looking documents effortlessly.